first study partner when I was in secondary school. Did I say secondary school? Sorry, university, was a girl, and she was the one that chatted me up and was like, she wants to be my study partner. Me too. I actually needed a study partner, but I can't make the move because me, I'm also shy. So she made the move, and that's how we started studying together. And guess what? For that year that both of us were studying together, we had all A's. Hello guys, welcome back to Chubby Chemistry Studies. You guys know what we do on this channel. I give you guys advice on what to do to make your studying easier. I give you advice on what to do to pass your JAMB, how to get up to 300 and all the rest. So in today's video, I will be talking about how to get yourself a study partner. You know, in my last video, I told you guys that one of the ways to make your studying easier is by getting yourself a study partner. But I know you, Adobe, you Ada, you Obi, you Chike, Olamide, you are shy. You don't know how to go and meet Mary, or maybe meet Ola, or meet BC and tell her or him that I want you to be my study partner. So calm down. In this video, I will be telling you guys how to get yourself a study partner. Let's get straight to it, guys. So yeah, welcome back to Chubby Chemistry Studies. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to like this video and also hit that red subscribe button so that you keep on seeing my videos. That is the sense of subscribing. You're not paying anything to subscribe. So before we get into how to get yourself a study partner, this is the main thing. Please remember that the goal of getting yourself a study partner is to pass your JAMB and not to fall in love. Because you know there is high tendency that once you start spending a lot of time with somebody, there is high tendency that you fall in love. I beg, no go leave JAMB, go fall in love. Don't fall in love. That is not the goal. The goal of this trying to get yourself a study partner is to pass your JAMB. So for those of you that are shy, that don't know how to get yourself a study partner, so if actually you want to score up to 300, look for someone that also aiming for that same goal, someone that has the same interest as you, someone that also want to score up to 300. If you want to score up to 300, don't go and settle for someone that wants to get 250. Don't go and make someone that wants to get 200 your study partner. Definitely both of you must have a common goal. So if you want to get up to 300, search for someone that also wants to score up to 300 and make that person your study partner. So that is the first thing. So for those of you that attend tutorials, I know most of you attend tutorials, so in that tutorial center, you must have seen one or two persons that always answer questions in class. You must have seen someone that is actually smart but doesn't even answer questions in class. Just follow your mindset, you understand. That person that you think can actually be your friend and also can help you improve your studying habits, just meet the person. I know most of you that are shy will be like, I want to go meet Mary now. I want to go meet Ayomide and tell her that I want to be her study partner. Remember, the goal is to study and not to fall in love. So just gather morale. Meet the person and tell her or him that you want to be his or her study partner. But if you know you can't do it physically, if you know you can't approach the person, I'm sure most of you have like WhatsApp group where all of you are in or anything. Just chat up the person. You know most of you can be you can say anything behind the chat, but you can't say things when you come outside. So you can just get the person's number from your WhatsApp group or anywhere. Just text the person and be like, I want you to be my study partner. Just make your intentions known to the person. My first study partner when I was in secondary school, did I say secondary school? Sorry, university, was a girl, and she was the one that chatted me up and was like, she wants to be my study partner. Me too. I actually needed a study partner, but I can't make the move because me, I'm also shy. So she made the move, and that's how we started studying together. And guess what? For that year that both of us were studying together, we had all A's. So remember, the goal of getting yourself a study partner is to score high in JAMB and not to fall in love. There is high tendency that you guys might want to fall in love, but please do not shalaye, run away from love. Pass your JAMB first before trying to fall in love. I love you guys. To your boy, Chubby.